Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, green color, yellow color, blue color, black color. Last one is yellow ochre color. Kids, now you draw alphabets and first we draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God. H for helicopter. Kids, now you draw I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use green color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon, N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use yellow color. S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for wheel, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last we draw 10. TEN 10. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.